Click on the link below to get price. The 18,000W wind generator kit is designed for both residential and commercial use, aiming to provide a sustainable energy solution through wind power. With a focus on high efficiency, the generator operates at a voltage of 48 V, making it suitable for various applications. This product appeals to those looking to reduce their reliance on traditional energy sources while embracing renewable energy technology. Upon unboxing, users will find that the kit includes essential components such as the wind turbine, controller, and necessary mounting hardware. The design of the wind generator is built to endure challenging weather conditions, which is crucial for consistent performance. The turbine features lightweight yet robust materials, contributing to both its durability and ease of installation. The compact design does not compromise its power output, as the generator is capable of producing up to 18,000 watts under optimal wind conditions. One notable feature of this wind generator is its ability to operate at a relatively low wind speed, which can be particularly advantageous in areas where wind conditions may not always be ideal. This factor could allow for more consistent energy generation, even in less favorable environments. Moreover, the generator is equipped with a smart controller that optimizes performance and ensures that energy production is efficiently regulated. Installation is straightforward, aided by the included mounting hardware and clear instructions. Users are encouraged to select an appropriate location for the turbine, ideally a high and open space to maximize wind exposure. Once installed, the generator can be integrated with existing energy systems, providing a complementary power source that can help reduce electricity costs over time. In terms of maintenance, the wind generator kit is designed for minimal upkeep. Regular checks on the turbine and connections are advisable to ensure optimal performance, especially after inclement weather. Many users find that investing time in these routine inspections can extend the lifespan of the system and enhance energy production. In conclusion, the 18,000W wind generator kit presents a viable option for those seeking to harness wind energy for home or business use. Its robust design, efficient performance under various wind conditions, and ease of installation make it a compelling choice for individuals interested in adopting renewable energy solutions. As with any investment in energy systems, prospective users should consider their specific energy needs and environmental conditions to determine its suitability for their circumstances.